And here we are once again on location at the tea party. And we've got lots of little fur baby friends here. We've got Nitsa. Jasmine. And I see them. There they go. There they go. Wait. And our favorite thing in the world is to see these faces because, you know, not all of us can go well with wrinkles, but these guys rock the look. I totally love it. Look at these beautiful faces. Here's our wrinkle friends. And then there's always that moment where Teenie sees her fiance. Tino is so precious. We're so excited to see his little face. And there's his mom at the tea party. We're all having a nice day together. And there's the Teenie with the Dino, the soon-to-be married couple. Oh yes, that's your husband-to-be. Your beautiful husband.
I can't see you both together.
You get the little kisses. Oh, she's like, oh, maybe I might kiss him one day at our wedding.
I can't see you both together.
Oh, here we go. We're filming you and you're filming us. How about that?
Uh-oh, I didn't get you in the picture.
You're filming us and we're filming you. We've got lots of other beautiful babies over here. We're trying to get a film of everybody's pretty babies. Hi,
Daisy,
Daisy, turn around, Daisy.
Oh, good.
Daisy, look here. Look here. The camera. Look here. Daisy, look here. Daisy, Daisy, look here.
It's a live film.
Ooh, ooh,
beautiful, beautiful. I'm like, I'm filming you. You're filming me.
come out.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
She's missing her head.
Hold on. Beautiful. It's a Yorkie friend and everything. Oh my goodness. How beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Teenie.
Teeny tiny.
Teenie.
Teeny?
Yeah.
Teeny tiny.
Okay.
Ready? I'm going to get it.
Turn around and I'd love to do this.
Okay.
Out of work for 30
She's
minutes.
almost two.
Okay.
Oh, too low? I'm like, I'm filming you and you're filming me.
Oh, okay. What's your dog's name?
Teenie.
Okay.
Teenie Paris Hilton's her full name.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Teeny.
Teenie.
Teeny tiny.
And our pretty ladies and their pretty hats. Oh, look at this hat. We love that
She
hat.
drinks a little bit.
Oh, well, she might have a moment where she can just grab a drink
She's
there.
a bit of a
today.
drinker.
I love
Gambler
it.
there.
Love, love, love it. Thank you. And then we have this table over here with lots of beautiful
So what's the
What? Come around so we
what was he measuring?
baby. We got this baby. Oh, look at Tiana. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, you are so gorgeous, darling.
She knows.
Yes, yes, yes.
You and Teenie are looking fabulous.
Thank you, lovely. We're just filming everybody. Look at this pretty little baby we got right here. We got him. Oh, look at that little face. Oh, so gorgeous, so gorgeous, beautiful. And we got pretties over here. Oh, babies are so beautiful. Oh, look at you sitting back there too. Oh my goodness. Oh, somebody says, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Oh, goodness.
Lois, were you done with your salad?
And there's Miss Lois and her beautiful baby. She's looking all beautiful today with her baby. And everybody's enjoying a lovely time here at It's quite lovely. Oh, we got to sneak a little peek out here. Because we got some beautiful fur babies right out front as well. Hi.
You know that there's some
Having a nice time together with everybody. Thank you. And then we'll sign off with one last look at our beautiful little wrinkly babies. And
press a roll for the bell.
Dino. Dino is so precious. We can't wait to marry Dino. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Here, you want to go see your husband? There you go. There you go. She's like, okay, whatever you say, Mama. Whatever.
They're a good-looking couple, you know that?
They're both little cute chocolate noses.
What
What are you doing, Jean? Are you hanging out with your man? She's like, yeah, today's the day. That's your queen of hearts. She's got lots of love to offer.